Hey friends, even before we talk about my awesome haul today over at Walgreens, we're going to talk really quickly about the Fetch Rewards app. Well, of all the apps to use, this one's my favorite. I got 149 points today for buying some paper products. How awesome is that? So if you guys are interested, check out the link in the notes and use my referral code. And when you download it, this is for new signups only. Use my referral code and photograph your first receipt. It could be fast food or a pack of gum you bought last week. You're given $2. These points amount towards gift cards, and in no time you'll be looking a lot like Pumpkin, just like flush with gift cards. And gift cards start around that $3 mark, so you could be drinking Dunkin' Donuts or Starbucks this afternoon. If you're an extreme couponer, you're probably sitting on like 7,000 receipts. Download the app, start photographing today, and you'll be shocked about the amount of points that you can earn towards the stuff that you're buying with coupons. Okay, so check that out. It is a tremendous app. Hey guys, running Kimono here. So this was my transaction today over at Walgreens. And this is a $55 basket. And I know that in my videos, I'm always like, I'm not rich, I'm not doing it. But I did it today. So it's kind of a crazy haul. There was a couple of snags I will share with you. But the manager who rang me up made it right. And he's so nice. So a little bit of magic for me. I had, I think, 2 digital coupons that didn't come off. But I had 3 register rewards that I threw in, so I think they might have kicked them out. Even though I scanned my filler items first, it did not matter. But you know, it is what it is. It still was a really fantastic basket. Believe it or not, all of this stuff was free, plus a $3 money maker. And I'm fine with that any day of the week. Right here we have some money making clearance Revlon that I stumbled onto, and then a great little deal for some very inexpensive paper products. So we'll talk about that as well. At the very least, do this deal, guys. This is meat and potato stuff for your home, and this is all Walgreens. Weather report for you guys. Well, it's blaring out there again today. I guess my sensor must be off or something, but I'm not gonna fix it. Hi to my mom if she's watching. Hope she's having a great day. Let me see if I can fix this. It is what it is. It's just really sunny out there and a lot of snow. Okay, so first deal we're gonna talk about is this. And a lot of you might look at this and say, well, where's your Bic razor? My store doesn't have Bic right now. So I'm not sure if they're waiting for a truck, or because it is a reduced store that it's not like a regular store in a big city. They've kind of scaled back on merchandise. They started doing this about 2 or 3 years ago, but there's no Bic razors. They're all gone. I know they were on clearance for the last many weeks, but there's nothing left. So I had to get creative and zhuzh up my basket in a different way. So I got the Axe hair care, and this is when you buy 3 of these, you get back $3 of Walgreens cash. And then there's a $5.99 coupon that showed up this morning. Somebody had put body wash in the shampoo aisle, and I mean, I didn't read it line for line. I thought I was grabbing the right one, but the manager still awarded me the $3 of Walgreens cash. Body wash is not included, so double, triple check the tags in the store. I think because these look alike, that somebody who is stocking just put this in the shampoo aisle, and you know, mistakes happen. And the other issue I had was the 3 off of 2 for Crest didn't come off, but I was just awarded the points for that. But the rest of it worked out. So we're just gonna go through this, and this is a bit of an arduous task. And if you are gonna do a $55 basket, you're gonna have to bring a pad of paper and pen and double, triple check the math 3 times, unless you have a PhD in mathematics. But this one is just kind of like, it's not a lot of fun. So I did have $9 of register rewards that I wanted to throw into this basket that I had accrued last week. So I had grabbed some of these iced teas. They're 2 for $1, so I grabbed 4 of them. It's a great little filler. And my basket was still short from hitting 55, so I grabbed this. Something happened at the cash register today. I don't know what it was, but I had to grab this little 33-cent candy. That's $2.33 for the drinks in this. These Purex Crystals, well, this is a deal I wanted to do today. These are 3 for $6. So for 6 of them, that's $12 on the nose. And I had one $1 coupon from the Retail Me Not of January the 31st. I could only use one because the verbiage is so strict, but my register rewards covered some of that. IBOTTA has $1 back that you can get up to 5 times, so I was very interested in getting that for, you know, this little dealio. 3 Axe shampoos, remember, read it, blah. Usually it's like body wash, hair care, does your taxes. These are $4.99. We have a $5.99 off of one digital coupon. There's also $1 off, but I didn't want to mess with it. And then when you buy 3 of these, you get back $3 in Walgreens cash. So for 3 of these at $4.99 each, that's $14.97. We have 2 of the Crest mouth rinses. They are $3.99 a piece, so that's $7.98. We have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon, plus IBOTTA is giving back $1 back for each. And hold on to your hat for this one, the $4.50 register reward when you buy 2, and that printed, so that was really great. Now I needed a very good filler item, so I grabbed this Neutrogena. It's like a face wash. This guy is $8.99. We have an $8 coupon that's expiring today. So I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna try and get it. And that $8 coupon, believe it or not, came off, so I was really happy about that. This is this week's freebie, $3 for this. We have a $3 digital coupon, just bulking up the old basket. And then I also grabbed this, the Venus razor for $7.99. We have a $3 digital. And then you also get back a $3 register reward, dropping it down to $1.99. Obviously the Bic would have been a much better deal, but there is none at my store, so I'm SOL for that one. So the grand total for all of this great stuff, guys, I know that was a lot to just get through, is $57.26. I scanned all of these first, and I had 3 $3 register rewards, $1 for the Purex, and then I had $22.99 of digitals. Let's go through them. $5.99 for this, 3 off of 2 for this, 8 for this, 3 for this, and a 3 for this. That's a whole lot. So after all of that, my total was $24.27. The booster I was using was digital, and it was like spend 55, get back 10. So I had to pay cash for the balance. So I had to use cash, bills, or my debit card. I could not use Walgreens cash to pay that down, just to note that. What I did get back was a $4.50 register reward for Crest. And then I also got back 3 for this. And then I got back 5 for the Purex Crystals, and then $2.50 for Crest. I also got back a 50-cent bonus from IBOTTA. What I didn't get was my $3 for this, so I asked the manager, and he's like, you know what, no problem. They had somebody new stocking, so he's like, we'll just give you the $3 of Walgreens cash. And the digital for this guy also didn't come off, so they gave me $6 of Walgreens cash on my card post, so that was fine. Purposes of the video, we're just gonna say that the digitals came off. So after, from what I paid to what I got back, this was a $3.33 money maker. If you're at the very least gonna do this and you have that $8 coupon, today is the last day to make it happen. But not a bad little basket, you know, a little $3 money maker. I'll take that any day of the week. if you're going to do this sort of stuff, guys, I recommend to bring an old-fashioned pad of paper and pen. Really pay attention in the store. The smallest slip up sucks. And if you have to call customer service or do the chat during regular business hours, I will also let you guys know that it's very long and arduous. Since Walgreens are doing COVID appointments for senior citizens, for vaccines and all that stuff, you can be on hold for minimum of an hour during a work week. And it's just a really long wait and it's not fun at all. I hate being on the phone waiting for that sort of stuff. So always double, triple check your math, and hopefully you have a nice manager who can help you out. And very happy with today's haul. It's just really fantastic. So in the clearance section, I actually found a whole bunch of Revlon makeup. Always double, triple check your Ibotta rebates if you might have similar rebates or if they haven't expired. This is some sort of lipstick lip product. It's called Overtime. I'm going to show you guys the UPCs for that. So here it is. This guy is on clearance for $1.19. The Revlon makeup this week is on a buy one, get one 50% off promotion as well. And then we have these little nail polishes, and they were ringing up because I bought all of this in one transaction. These were 50% off. And so they were like 41 cents a piece. Okay, so here's the first UPC for this pink color and the UPC for this one. Clearance is always, your mileage may vary too at Walgreens. What might be on clearance here in Michigan might not be on clearance in, like, say, Idaho. So, but keep your eye out. If you can find clearance lipstick or nail polishes, it's just absolutely fantastic. So let's just jog through this. For all of this, these were 41 cents and these were $1.19. So buy one, get one 50% off. That's $4.81. I used Walgreens cash to pay that down, so I had to pay 81 cents plus tax. And then these nail polishes are $1 back from Ibotta, and these lip products are $2 each. So I got back $9 from Ibotta, making this little haul here free plus a $4.18 money maker. Okay, the last little deal that we have, at the very least you should do this week, is with the Scott and Kleenex. There's some very generous dollar digital manufacturer coupons that showed up this morning for both the Scott and the Kleenex. So these guys are $5 this week. We have this $1.25 coupon for the month of February. Get the cashier to scan this once and $1.25 will come off. So $2.50 boom will come off for both of these items, plus the dollar digital for the Scott and the dollar digital for the Kleenex. The new subtotal is $5.50. I would throw in $5 of Walgreens cash and pay 50 cents. And don't forget to photograph your receipt to the Fetch Rewards app for extra savings. 50 cents for these two. I think that's kind of fantastic. Okay, and if you're out and about today, which is Sunday the 14th, happy Valentine's Day. Big Lots has a freebie, which is a little pack of Kleenex, always good for your purse or your car or whatever. It's one per store card, and the coupon is automatically loaded digitally to your store card. You just go to the cash register, punch in your phone number or your store card, and you get a 3-pack of Kleenex for free. Sorry, I forgot to show this in my video. And they're usually found right at the front at the cash register, and they had a good assortment at my store. So if you're near a Big Lots and you have a store card, make this happen. This is a great little freebie. So as always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.